Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be doing my July update for the Partners in Cream project pan. This is a project that was created specifically to target the cream and liquid products within our collections because those are the products that go off the most quickly. And to be honest, if you're like me, they're also the ones that can get the most neglected. So I have chosen 6 products to work on in this rolling style project pan. This is a project that was created by Steph Lyons and DaLin here on YouTube. They are also over on Instagram and they have just an update forum so that if you are not a member of social media or if you just don't feel comfortable posting on social media, then you can update there and we can all collectively cheer each other on so that we can get the most out of the makeup that we've already purchased. So without further ado, let's talk about the items that I have been working on and where I am with them. The item that has been in this project the absolute longest is this right here. This is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil Crayon thing. It is of course what I have in my brows as of this moment, and I did use it 25 times since our last update. And this is what we have left within the packaging. That is looking really good, and I do have a new mark on my paper. So let's go ahead and get that here to where you can see it and not drop anything, because you know that's actually the bigger concern is my clumsiness. So we do have a new July line and I am so happy with my progress. In fact, I was looking at it when I marked it today and I've been making really consistent progress month over month as far as where the different kind of lines are for this. Based on the amount of space that is remaining between today's line and the base, I am projecting 3 months maximum and this will be done, which would be so awesome. I thank you so much, especially to Rebecca and to Alex from other channels here on YouTube. I'll have them linked in the description box below. But you both had mentioned that for you, this product took like a year to use up. And thank you for telling me that because it really, really clarified my expectations of usage and has helped keep me super pumped and motivated to see the progress that I'm making. So thank you both for letting me know because this has been in since the introduction. And I'm very, very happy with the progress that I have been making, and to be able to visualize my completion and be able to visualize kind of that finish line is really, really motivating, and I have really enjoyed using it. I know in years past I have kind of lamented the fact that I am terrible about doing my brows and remembering to do my brows and liking the way that they look, and by having had these products in projects both last year and then also this year has really given me that push to do my brows regularly and find a way that I like the way that they look. So very happy with that right there. The next product that you guys are probably very interested for an update on is from NYX Cosmetics. This is my marshmallow primer. So you guys know that I have been really grumping about this product because it is horribly overpriced for the size that it is and the amount of product that you get. So I put it into this project specifically so that I could track how many uses is in this ridiculously small item that was $8. No. So I have to say I am really sad that I love this product so much. I really like this primer. So I have used it an additional 12 times. And we're empty. We are empty. So I opened it up, scooped it out, got every little tiny little bit out of here that I possibly could. Because again, I loved this primer, but I also wanted to get every single solitary cent worth of product out of here. So that means that I used this 31 times. That was basically If you use it every single day, that's basically a month's worth of product for $8. I don't know how that stacks up against the full size. The full size is $17, I want to say, and it is 4 times the size of that product. So I don't know how much a pump comes out of the full size one. I'll pop in a picture of the kind of amount that I used typically. Now, I do tend to use a light hand when applying my makeup. So because that's a squeezy tube, others may get a different amount of uses out of it. So I would be kind of interested to see exactly how many pumps or uses is in the full size. In fact, I might just sort of on the side start doing that. But definitely is a good product, and I'm very happy to have it completed and another product used up in my collection. So good stuff there. The next item that I have is what I'm actually wearing on my eyes right now. I know you guys are like, Ashley, you're wearing purple eyeshadow. That like never happens. I feel like I have worn nothing but purple eyeshadow. In fact, when I pulled up my Instagram most recently, because I wanted to post this look right here because I thought it came out really nicely. In fact, this is what it is looking like. Literally everything on the kind of first section just was all purple eyeshadow. So I don't think I'm going to post this because I feel like it's way too repetitive. But this is the Smith & Cult Glitter Baby Metallic Shift eyeshadow in the shade Iris. Guys, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. But I have a confession. So I have used it twice since our last update, for a total of 4 times since bringing it into this project. And I had an original goal of using it 25 times and then rolling it out. I didn't think that through because right now it's July, and that means that we're halfway through the year. There are 52 weeks in a year. Divide that in half and you've got roughly 26. I would need to use it basically once a week, every week, in order to get it hitting goal by the end of the year. And I'm just not going to do that. Not because I don't love the product. It's gorgeous. As you can see, really, really beautiful. But I have a lot of other eyeshadows that I'm working on, and to commit to using that once a week just isn't going to happen. So I'm going to modify my goal. I'm going to drop it from 25 uses down to 10, which means that I've got another 6 uses to go. And I still feel like that will take some time since I've only used it 4 times in the last 2 months. I still think that will take some time, but it feels much more achievable and more attainable than committing myself to using it once a week because, like I said, I'm just not gonna. Sorry, I know that you guys are probably kind of annoyed by that, and I do apologize, but I have to be able to make modifications that work for me, work for my panning, and work for my life. So we're dropping it down to 10 uses before we can roll it out. The next item is a concealer. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Eraser. So this I want to use up entirely. I'm not making quite as quick a progress as I had thought that I would. So I am going to put another line on there, but it's going to come super duper close to the original line. I have used this 11 times since pulling it into this project. And as I said, I do really, really love this product. However, I have been testing out some concealers to do for an upcoming video. So it hasn't gotten as much usage or love as it would have if I hadn't been working on that project. But I do really like that product. I do still think I'll be able to have it completed by the end of the year. I just am off to a little bit of a slower start than I had originally expected to be. I am also working on this right here. I am wearing it in my waterline as well. This is from Nabla. This is the Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo. Mine is in the 3rd shade. It just says Arrow number 3. It is a beautiful purpley kind of color, and I've really, really enjoyed using this. This also has a goal of using it 25 times, and I used it 8 times since our last update for a total of 19 times. So definitely making the progress that I want to be making with this, and I've really enjoyed using it. I still have not been able to get that beautiful smudgy wing that Danielle is able to achieve, but I'm working on it, and I've really enjoyed using it in my lower waterline. I think that it works really, really well in that way, and it does work well on the top lashes as well. I don't use it as often in that way, but what I'm really trying to do is that smudgy wing, and I need to practice more. So we will be seeing that rolling out next month. I have no concerns about. And then the final product that I'm working on in this project comes to us from Tarte. This is the Chrome Paint Pot in the shade Frosé, and it's beautiful. I've had so much fun using this. You can see it does have some disruption. I have no illusions to thinking that I can hit pan on this, so please don't be concerned. This also has a 25 usage goal. And this is a little bit easier to work into kind of my regular makeup styles and routines. The shade that I'm wearing on my eyes just takes over the entire look, whereas Frosé is one that I can use with other things. So I'm going to leave that at a 25 usage goal. I have used it 4 times since rolling it into this project, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. So that means that we have 1 item leaving our project, so we do need to bring in another item to replace it. And I settled on another primer. So this is another deluxe sample. This was a free item, and oh wait, hold on. Oh, hey, look. One was free and one was $8. I'm never going to get over that. Okay, I'll stop grumping about it, but I'm never going to get over it. Yeah, so. This is from Becca. This is my favorite Becca primer. This is the First Light Priming Filter. It is beautiful. I will, at some point, stop lamenting the fact that Becca is going to be no more as of 2 months from now. Ugh, sickening. So this is one that I have already used, obviously, because this is our starting line. And I do want to use it up entirely. I feel like that is totally achievable and attainable, and it will be yet another product that is out of my inventory, as well as another mini that is out of my inventory, because as I have mentioned before, as much as I just adore miniature products because they're so freaking cute, they've kind of taken over my life a little bit. So I am definitely making a big push at trying to clear through some of those so that, you know, life can resume its normal pace. How are you doing in your project? I would love to know. Are you finding success, or are you at that sort of mid-year hump and hoping to get over it so that you can feel more, I don't know, confident in your project? Hopefully you're feeling great along the way, but if you need that extra push, definitely let us know down in the comments below so that we can all get together and support each other through all of our goals and hopes. As always, everything that I am panning and everything that I am wearing on my face will be linked in the description box below. And if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you'll consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.